I stuck my feet in bleach water, bro. Trying to clean them, man. I had the little foot spa going, it's massaging my feet and shit. And I sit there about 10 minutes. I'm like, babe, I don't think my shit should be burning like this.
Hold on. You serious, right?
I'm dead serious.
You put bleach in the water.
In boiling water. Well, not boiling. Down there boiling. It was hot as fuck in my little foot spa. Yeah. And it was massaging, feeling good at first. Then it just started burning, man. I'm like, babe, I don't think my fucking feet should be burning like this. When she say, babe, you got bleach in there because it smells really harsh. And bleach is a harsh chemical. And, yeah, I took my feet out. They was fucking sizzling like motherfucking brocks off the grill, my nigga. You feel me? But I'm all right now, though. They got me drugged up with Vicodin, morphine, and some more shit.
You go to the doctor?
Yeah, I went to the doctor. My feet was bubbling, dude. You think I'm playing? You want to see it? You see my whole foot? The whole top, dog. It swelled up. This one, too, burnt, too, but this one ain't as bad as this one. This one was bad, dog.
What made you think of putting bleach on your skin, though?
Man.
I was smart about this.
Man, I was trying to read Athlete's foot. I ain't taking pictures. I've been recording for the longest.
Hey, let's do a YouTube video.
Let's do a YouTube? Yeah. I got good ass fucking camcorder picture too, man. Sing right now, done. We're doing it right now. This shit is on YouTube. Like, you've been booked. I'm booking this shit. When a woman loves.
Hey, let's do that. Let's do that. Let me see.
She loves for real. Shut up, man. You fucking me up. When a woman loves.
Let's start it over. Let's start it over and do it for real and put it back. You know what I mean?